Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Zerion airdrop. Now Zerion has managed to raise the overall funding of around 23 million US dollars and this should be a decent airdrop. Although none of this is the financial advice, do your own research. Now before we move on to Zerion farming, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which up to $30,000, or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505. Now once you have an account on Bybit, you can also get access to different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now in order to farm the Zerion airdrop, the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and download Zerion wallet or add this to your Chrome browser. Now I have already added Zerion to my Chrome browser, and once you add this, you can either import it from your existing MetaMask wallet or you can go ahead and create a new Zerion wallet. Now all you can do is you can go to Zerion over here and click on settings and go in developer tools over here, and you have to select this testnet mode. So this should be enabled. Now once you do this, all you can do is you can go to alchemy.com over here. Now if you don't have an account on Alchemy, you can go ahead and create one account. Simply go to Zerion, copy this contract address over here and request for some Ethereum Cephalia. So simply paste your address over here and click on send me ETH. Or alternatively, you can go ahead and mine Cephalia Ethereum on this faucet. Now I will put all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to go ahead and navigate. Now once you have Ethereum Cephalia on your Zerion wallet, all you have to do is you will need to go to this docs.0.network over here and go ahead and connect your Zerion wallet and click on claim docs. Now simply accept the transaction on your Zerion wallet. Now within 10 seconds, this doc tokens would be reflected in your Zerion wallet. So if I go ahead and show you my wallet over here, as you can see, I have received like 1000 docs. Now all you have to do is you will need to go to their official bridge over here and bridge some Cephalia Ethereum to Zero network. So simply you can go ahead and put in any amount. So for example, let me go ahead and put like 0.1 and then it will calculate the fee over here. Now please note that these are not the actual funds. This is just the testnet funds that you are going ahead and bridging to Zero testnet. So simply go ahead and click on I understand, proceed to bridge. Now it will take around a minute's time for the bridge to be completed. Now once the bridge is done, all you can do is you can go ahead to zora.co and you can go ahead and check this collection over here. So before that, let me go ahead and accept this one. So they have this NFT collection over here, as you can see. Now this is optional, you can go ahead and mint this if you want. So as you can see, around 14,000 people have already minted this NFT, and if I go ahead and click on mint over here and if I change this to Zora, so this mint will roughly cost you somewhere around, let me go ahead and check the current price, around $2.65. Now I have already gone ahead and minted this. And last thing that you can do in order to farm this airdrop is you can participate in their Zilly campaigns over here and go ahead and complete all of this task. So this is how you can go ahead and farm the Zerion airdrop as of now. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.